What's up, Goon Squad? Another day out here working on the 2003 Jeep Rubicon. We're going to start the day off by cleaning this interior. So we're going to take out this carpet here and we're going to pressure wash it. Then we're going to start cleaning underneath it because it is kind of filthy. So we're going to make this thing smell fresh, look good, and just feel good pretty much. So this is a whole separate section. I guess it comes out in 4 sections. Oh, 5, 6 sections. Oh, so it comes out in a few different, so it just comes out in sections here. You got the wheel wells on both sides. You got 2 front, center, and then you got this. And we're gonna just leave this carpet in here and just clean it up real nice because it is pretty clean under there. So we're just gonna vacuum and clean them up as best as we can, and we're gonna pressure wash those down there. All right, we got the carpets over there drying in the sunlight, so we're also cleaning the tub. It's looking good, getting real nice and shiny in there. All right, guys, we got the Jeep cleaned up on the inside. We're working on the engine components here and the wiring. We're gonna go ahead and plug in the main wires here that go to the ECU. And we're gonna plug in whatever we can. We also have ordered a new fender, a new hood, and a new steering box that's on the way. So that's kind of what's holding us back for now, but we're doing what we can.
This goes right here.
Which fender do we got?
Driver's side, but we should wait for the steering box to come in because we're gonna have to align the steering rod with that and this. We're gonna have to be moving all this.
I'm gonna go ahead and install this clutch slave cylinder. Also, we're gonna go ahead and fasten that shifter linkage bracket over there.
Alright, it's all clipped in and ready to go. Now for the shifter linkage.
Makes it a lot easier when you got 2 people working together. Now that we got that shifter linkage hooked up, we're gonna put the interior in, put in the carpets, seats, everything. This interior is looking clean, looking good. One more pieces, one more piece back here, and the carpet should be done. Carpet got pressure washed, clean. Now it just needs to be vacuumed. Get rid of all that dog fur, animal fur, whatever that is. This interior is looking pretty dang good. Alright guys, so we're getting these seats put in. We're gonna clean them up a bit. Also this center console. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take this subwoofer out of the center console and see why it's kind of loose inside. So we're gonna fix that to get that high quality sound.
These are only in Rubicons and in some Saharas.
There it is.
Here's our problem. This little cover. Oh, look how nasty that dog hair is.
And this speaker is shot. Alright, so the inside is cleaned up. We're gonna go take this subwoofer to Stereo City and see what they could hook us up with to kind of give us a little upgrade on that subwoofer there, because that one is kind of torn apart. Let's go there. We are at Stereo City. Alright, so this is the little speaker that we got. He sold it to us for $25, so we got a little bit of a deal there, and that should just plug right in and that'll work.
Plug and play. Alright, we might have to put it in 4 high.
Alright, so next is the boot and the ball that goes on top of the gear shifter. As we're putting these interior pieces in, we are detailing it at the same time. Now I recommend this stuff right here. It's some nice stuff. You can get this at your local parts store. Center console is in. Now it's just the seats. I like the leather seats. I'm really digging that. That's pretty sweet.
Thank you. That's what
I've never actually seen a TJ with leather seats, honestly.
I did not either. That's why I really wanted this thing.
Just because the seats were leather?
Yep.
It's gonna look cool with the drop top. Man, that's clean, man. That's real clean.
Leather, man.
Leather.
That's nice. I wish I had like some blue stitching. So we are gonna fix that driver's seat right there. It is torn. We're gonna do that a little bit later when we get the Jeep driving around. And we were thinking about, what if we embroidered Rubicon in blue letters across the seat?
Yeah, that'd be sick.
I wonder if
Rubicon here, Rubicon there. We're gonna try to get that done. Hopefully they can manage to do something like that.
yeah, that would be pretty cool. Unique,
especially in these leather seats. It'll just make it pop.
they'll look like the newer Jeeps, you know, they got Rubicon stitched in white. We're gonna do it in blue.
That's gonna be awesome. Another cool thing that came from the factory is this key right here. I think it's a factory Rubicon key.
I don't know, that looks like a rock.
Another cool feature that came with this Jeep is like this rear trunk cover. That's just probably something that came factory.
Bro,
You
got cup holders.
You got cup holders for a couple brewskis or something like that.
Yeah.
Maybe a Coca-Cola, a Mountain Dew, whatever floats your boat, your
phone,
Jeep.
you can put your phone right there, speaker.
That's pretty cool. He's sitting in it. I'm gonna sit in it. We haven't sat in this Jeep in a while.
Nice.
Fart. The seats are farting. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today. We had a pretty good, productive day today. We got the whole interior of the Jeep put together. We upgraded the subwoofer. We plugged up a couple wires up front, so
we pressure washed the carpet. Pretty much detailed the whole entire inside of this Jeep, underneath the carpet, everything. Pressure washed the carpet, cleaned everything, the inside of the console, center console, everything is really spotless. So next step is to start sanding on the hardtop and the body, get it ready for paint, because we are waiting on a hood and a fender to come in. We are doing flat fenders. You have to use the inside because everything bolts onto it.
We would start it up for you guys, but we gotta do it right. So we want to make sure we get all the parts in.
You can just connect the radiator, but we want everything to be fitted right and ready to go. So when we start that thing, we can go off-road.
Take it off-road.
Yep.
So guys, be sure to like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, check out the earlier videos. Stay tuned. We got a lot of stuff coming to the channel, a lot of new builds.
Thank you for everybody who helps support us on our GoFundMe and on our Patreons. We appreciate that. It helps a lot. We are getting closer to reach our goal to throw the shop up. The link is down in the description below. Please check us out and help support the channel.
Also guys, if you want to cop some Goon Squad merch, check out goonsquad.com and support the boys. Follow me on Instagram to get a sneak peek of some earlier updates before YouTube gets them. Stay tuned guys, and we'll catch you guys next time.
Peace.